So I'll be showing you how to set up the secure folder on your Galaxy Z TriFold. So go to settings. Under settings, on the left hand side, you want to go to security and privacy. Tap on that. And then under security and privacy, if you scroll down, you will see more security settings. So if you tap on that, then you should see the option for secure folder. So tap on that, and then let's set up the secure folder. So you want to read that and then tap on continue. Then you have permissions for secure folder, which you need to read, and tap on next. And then now it's going to start creating our secure folder. So now it's time to choose your lock for the secure folder, whether you want to use a pin, password, or pattern. And keep in mind that this could be a different pin or password from the one you use on the lock screen of your device. Okay, it doesn't have to be the same password. So I use that on my lock screen. For this one, I'm gonna choose a different pattern. I'm gonna choose this one. Of course, you wanna choose a password that's not easily guessable. Mine is just for tutorial purposes. And once you put in that password and confirm, there's going to be a little pop-up. So allow lock reset with Samsung account. Now, basically, this is going to allow you to reset your secure folder password in case you forget it using this Samsung account that's signed in on this device. So this is important. So you want to turn that on. And then also, if you want to, you can enable the fingerprint so that you're able to use your fingerprint to unlock the secure folder. Okay, now again, this could be a different fingerprint, so you can go ahead and register a brand new fingerprint specifically for that secure folder. So I'm just going to use my fingerprint, the one I've been using. But like I said, it could be a different fingerprint. Okay, so let's tap on done. It's going to ask us to test. There you go. That's fine. So tap on done. So now we've finished setting up our secure folder. So let's tap on next. The next thing you want to do is choose how the secure folder behaves. So choose what happens when secure folder is locked. So does it should the apps in the secure folder continue running in the background, or should they be closed? I think they should be closed for maximum security. And then now you can tap on done. Simple as that. So that's our secure folder. It's going to be added to the app screen and possibly on the home screen, depending on your settings, but usually on the app screen. So this is where you can keep the stuff you don't want other people to see. So you can have the gallery here. You can have pictures and videos that you don't want other people to see. You can hide apps. You can do all the stuff, all the things you want to keep in a vault on this device. So that is basically how to create a secure folder. So you can access the secure folder by tapping on it, and you can see the items in the secure folder. You can tap on these three dots. You can choose hide apps. You can lock and exit. You can hide the secure folder if you want to. You can add files. You can even have settings where you can go and customize what happens with the secure folder and how it behaves. You can do all that. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck.